Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Arrow. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. It means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. So today's pick card reading topic is messages for this full moon. Like we have a lunar eclipse coming, so that is going to be the topic for today. So on 19th November we have a lunar eclipse. Okay, so yeah. So what you need to expect for this full moon, that's going to be the topic for today. Okay, so I have three groups for you guys. For group number one, this is the door. So select a door that calls to you intuitively. So for group number one, this is the door. For group number two, we have this one. And for group number three. So close your eyes, relax, and select a door that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be given in the description box below. I'm going to start with group number one. Group number one, if you've chosen this door, let's see what is your message for this full moon lunar eclipse. Messages for you guys. There's a message at the back of the card. I'll read it later. So the energy is angel of love. Wow, full of love, light vibration. So I feel like your spirit guides, angels are telling you to love yourself, take care of yourself this full moon if it's possible. Like do a self-care ritual, like taking a spiritual bath, spending some quality time with yourself, like looking at the moon, talking to the moon, saying your desires loud, look, this angel is looking at our heart. So there are desires that you have in your heart, so it's time to list those desires and believe in those desires. That's something I'm getting. And it's time to take care of yourself. For some of you, if you're manifesting a friend, I'm getting, yes, that desire is heard. I'm feeling like that. So something regarding love also, maybe for you guys, maybe you're worried about your family members or something like that with regards to love. Everyone is safe also, I'm feeling like. And you don't have to worry about, maybe if you're far from your family and you're stressing about them, don't do that. Everyone is safe. That's also a message I'm hearing here. And with this angel of love, now it's the time to plant those seeds. Now it's the time to write those desires, like the desires that you have closed in your heart somewhere, and you're feeling that you want this. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you have a crush on someone and you want to tell them your feelings. Maybe it's time to do that. You know, whatever the outcome is, doesn't matter what the outcome is. Just don't keep it to yourself. Say it out. You know, you will feel very happy. At least you tried. You know, it's better. You know, it's better to try than not to try. I feel like that. So for some of you, it's like this is a message from your spirit guides, like, if you feel like you need to say your feelings to this person, go ahead and do that. Okay, for some of you, it's like you want to talk to someone or something like that. Maybe there is a friend in your class, or maybe you have an online friend, but you're not you want to approach that person. Maybe it's time to approach that person, right? Maybe you will become very good friends. So don't close off yourself. Close off. Maybe if someone is approaching you, communicate with them. Okay, so I feel like for some of you, that's the message. And yeah, it's time to write down all the desires on your book and read it loud, and using full moon energy, that will be very good for you guys. I feel like this. Okay, so it's time to list all the desires of your heart. Okay, so yeah, at the same time, you need to have faith also. So it's very easy, you know, sometimes it's very easy to list all the desires. I want this, I want this, I want this. The difficult part is this, to have the faith, to believe in those desires. That is the difficult part. Okay, so yeah, angels are telling you to have that faith. You know, everything will not happen very easily, very quickly. You have to take action. At the same time, you have to trust, right? With this faith, this mother, she is pregnant, she is having utter faith in divine that her child will be healthy, everything will be okay. So yeah, you know, when we get pregnant, it takes time. It takes 9 months, right? So like that only, if you plant a seed, it will take time. All we need to have is faith, believe in ourselves, keep on doing the work, okay, nurturing ourselves. You know, a pregnant woman should nurture herself, she should take care of herself, so the baby is fine, right? So like that also, if you have something in your heart, if you want to achieve that, you need to take care of it. You need to have that positive vibe, positive attitude. Yes, like a mother, that she will have a positive she will have a positive attitude, that her child will be happy and healthy, right? That's what you need to do. So it's easy to write it down, it's easy to like for some of you, I feel like you will go for, you will believe in it for like 1 month or 2 months, then if things doesn't go the way you want, then you will give up. So don't give up, that's the thing. It's very easy to give up, it's tough to keep on believing and moving forward, right? That's what you need to do right now, okay? To believe in yourself, to believe in your heart desires. Yes, your dreams are also possible, your dreams are valid, okay? So all you need to do is nurture and don't give up. Even if other people don't see the potential, you need to see the potential that you have, okay? And yeah, with this card, I feel like there is a chance for you guys to self-sabotage. Like for some of you, before, it's like many people give up before they find that success. Like they give up at the last stage. So maybe for some of you, that is also, I'm feeling like there is a tendency for you guys to give up on something, to self-sabotage. So don't do that, have faith right now. That's I'm feeling like, yeah, with this card, that's what I'm getting here. There is a chance you might destroy the things that you have built up because of your negative attitude, or because you feel like that you're not worthy, or because you feel like things are not going to pan out, so you just stop working on it. So don't self-sabotage, that's also I'm getting. So that's why we have the faith at geometry here. So with this, I feel like that, don't self-sabotage, believe in yourself. Maybe someone says something and you sabotage yourself. Oh, they are saying that it will not work, so I should stop doing it. Or yeah, my parents don't feel that this is good for me, so you self-sabotage yourself. So it's important, because you know what your heart wants. Other people don't know that. So believe in yourself. That's what this full moon is telling you right now, okay? Believe in yourself, to believe in yourself. Yeah, a time to give rather than take. So with this new, what I'm getting, it's like it's time to give that nourishment to your body. Maybe you're taking too much from your body, like you're working a lot, you're becoming this perfectionist, you're not giving that nourishment to yourself. So that self-care, I feel like it's time to give that, okay? With this, a time to give rather than take. You're taking a lot from your body, right? You're working a lot, you're not giving that nourishment to your body. It's like you're not eating healthy, or you're starving, or maybe you're not giving that extra care that your body needs right now. So I feel like this full moon is telling you to take a break, to have a spiritual bath, to cleanse your energy, to sit in this full moon and write out your desires, soul, and meditate, relax. That's the thing I'm getting, because there is so much of negative, sometimes you think a lot of negative things, like, oh, if I do this, this will not work out. I'm like, those things are stopping, those things are a blockage for your success. Sometimes you are the person who is coming in between your path, okay? So don't let that happen. So it's time to nurture your soul, it's time to get back to yourself, to get back to your own integrity. So if there is something that you have been doing, it's like getting back to the basics. Why you started it, why you started this project. If you're feeling like giving up, go to the basics and ask yourself, why did I start this? And then and then ask yourself, and then you will know why you started it, and it will give you that confidence and boost. I feel like that. So it's time to give to yourself rather than to take from yourself, okay? It's time to nurture yourself. For others, it's like it's time to be more compassionate with other selves, to go out with your friends. If your friends are calling you, maybe this is also time to like gatherings, to have fun, okay? Maybe you're spending your time with yourself, all the time, maybe you're not going out, so maybe it's time to give some energy to your friends, to your family, talk with them. That's also I'm getting here. And then we have surrender to success. Exactly, with this self sabotage I told you. So sometimes you worry you will not get success, so you're like, I'm just wasting my time, so I'm not going to do it. So yeah, that's why your spirit guides are telling you to keep that faith alive in you and work towards it. It will take time, it will take your patience. So surrender to success. Instead of chasing it, surrender to success. Like sometimes we feel like, oh, I have to do this at this time limit. No, there is no time. Okay, so just don't sabotage your own ideas. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. So from tarot cards, yeah, 8 of Pentacles. You're very, very hardworking people, and with this 8, a time to give rather than take, I see that why that is, because you have been working your ass off. I feel like, I'm sorry for using that word, but yeah, I feel like you have been working hard, you have been learning hard, and you feel like things are not going the way it should, and that's why you need to keep that faith alive and pour your heart to the divine. Okay, look, maybe if you're doing manifestations, keep on working with moon pieces. Interestingly, we have all the moon pieces here, so it will be very good for you guys to work with moon pieces, and use green candle, because we have a green candle and a white candle. Okay, so maybe it's good for your prosperity if you want to heal yourself. And interestingly, we have the green here also, right? We have the green here also. There's a lot of green in your spread. So so use a green candle for the prosperity. Or for some of you, I feel like you can use the bay leaf ritual also, like yeah, writing on the bay leaf. If it's possible, just Google it, like to write your desires on the bay leaf, and just use fire. Okay, that's something that's some rituals for your prosperity, will be very good for you guys. But definitely what you're working on is going to give you success. So surrender to success instead of thinking too much, or instead of holding it tightly. Just let it go, surrender. Okay, so yeah, your exams, if it's exams also, sometimes we feel like, oh my god, there is so much to learn, how I'm gonna love, and what happens is, instead of learning, you sabotage, and you feel like, I'm not gonna do it. Like it's like you wake up early in the morning to study, then you see your books and you're like all scattered, disorganized, and you're like, oh my god, I cannot do it, and then you go back to sleep. So it's like you are self-sabotaging yourself, right? Don't do that. Okay, so let's see. Oh, we have King of Pentacles, and I feel like there is someone around you, a mentor, who is ready to help you with this all the things. Maybe your parents are ready to help you. Maybe your father is ready to help you with the money wise also. If you have a dream, maybe your father is, or some mentor or your boss is ready to invest, something like that. So there are people around you who will help you also. So maybe it's important you communicate your wishes to someone who is older. Don't keep your wishes to yourself. Okay, so maybe you have big plan that you want to achieve in your life, but what is happening is, like, maybe you want to go abroad for further studies, but you're keeping it to yourself, you're not saying it to other people. So it's time to ask for guidance, it's time to communicate also. That's something I'm getting here, okay, for you guys. And I feel like if you if your financial investment, so maybe if you have made certain money, and if you don't know where to invest, this is the best time, I feel like, to invest certain money. And it's and for that also, ask guidance from your ask guidance from the older people who have that experience. And I feel like with this King of Pentacles, someone is around you who will help you. Okay, and with this World card, yes, definitely for some of you, you want to go abroad for studies, or for something, or you want a change in the location. Maybe you want to move out, and you're like this, you have this hard desire, but you need to speak it out, you need to communicate with someone. Maybe you want to travel, maybe some desires you have in your heart, maybe regarding travel, or regarding studying abroad, or maybe you want to invest in a business, maybe you want to start something, but you don't know where to start from. So that is where this King of Pentacles is coming, I feel like. So there is someone around you who will help you with it. Okay, and I feel like there is independence coming your way. So yeah, when we hold on to things very tightly, it just pains us. When we let go of it, we feel free. So that's what is happening. And here your spirit guides, your angels are definitely telling you to use this full moon phase to free yourself from all those past limitations, because I feel like in some way you are limiting yourself. You're thinking that you cannot go move forward, and when we limit ourselves we stay there. Yeah, so if we are in this lack mentality, we will be in the lack mentality, and those things are only going to manifest. So let go of that lack mentality and believe in yourself, okay? And that is when you will find that freedom within. It's like you need to find that freedom within yourself. You are putting yourself in this lack mentality. So first let go of that lack mentality, and for that you need to work with this 8 of Pentacles also, like writing your desires, believing in those desires, imagining those desires, and taking action towards it, okay? So that's the message. And the affirmation you have is, I'm willing to change. Definitely there is some aspects you have to change, right? And so that's the thing with this butterfly also. Maybe for some of you, you are this cocoon caterpillar who's not ready to get out of the box. You're not ready to communicate your desires. Maybe you have a desire, but you are so afraid to communicate to this person. Maybe you don't want to share that with your father. Like maybe you want to move out from your home, and but you don't know how to say. So because of your fear, you're stopping yourself, so you're putting yourself in a comfort zone. So it's time to say things out. So this is the affirmation you received, I'm willing to change. And interestingly, this with this butterfly, it's the time to transform, it's the time to have that freedom, it's the time to get out of the box, the 4 walls, right? Maybe you feel like you have to stay in this 4 walls. No baba, no, that's just you are making that you have to stay. It will take courage from your part. It's very easy to sabotage yourself, that oh, this will not happen, and it's very easy to sabotage, but it takes courage to come out of it. It takes that courage. You will have to do it. You will have to be courageous, okay? And don't, if you replace uh, uh, love with fear, then only fear will manifest. So it's time to replace those fear with love, okay? So with this angel of love, that's what this message is, okay? I am willing to release old negative beliefs. Yes, I told you so. With that lack mentality, for some of you, you have that lack mentality that I will not be able to do it. Oh, my friends are going out, but maybe I'll not be able to. You're not thinking big for yourself. Maybe it's time to think big. Your desires, you have a lot of desires in your heart that you have closed off. It's time to open those desires, okay? So they are only thoughts that stand in my way, right? With that also, I told you, you are so sabotaging yourself. Your thoughts are sabotage. You sometimes do that. You're the thoughts, you're limiting that, right? So they are only thoughts that stand in my way. My new thoughts are positive and fulfilling. So what you need to do is to write those desires, as I told you. Write the list of desires, read it loud. You don't have to go in read in front of everyone. Just lock your room and sit and do. If do in privacy. And my new thoughts are positive and fulfilling. So maybe you can just take a piece of paper right now and write this affirmation and stick it on your wall, so you can see that, right, that you're willing to change. So, and when you are getting in this lack mentality, it will remind you that you are thinking in lack and you need to release that, right? So yeah, so let's see the message. Three-eyed raven. As sunrise hits upon the dew, a message raven gives out with news. Okay, so prepare for the unexpected. For some of you, you need to communicate your heart to someone, because you're expecting the worst. Something unexpected might happen. For some of you, I'm getting that. And with this, there is a message coming your way, or maybe there is some unexpected news definitely coming your way. A message from spirit, like you will see something and you will, maybe you will see a butterfly and you will get this sense of this clarity. What is this I should do? Like something that, something light bulb moment I'm feeling for you guys, that's going to happen, okay? So definitely prepare for the unexpected. Something unexpected is definitely coming your way, okay? So that's the message I'm gonna leave you with. So bye bye, group number 1. Take care, okay? Hello, group number 2. If you have chosen this door, let's see what is your messages for this full moon or for this lunar eclipse. Okay, so let's see what is your message. Okay, so So the first card for you guys is, wow, we have Archangel Michael. So maybe you work with Archangel Michael. So this full moon work with Archangel Michael to cut the cords of the past, to release all the negative beliefs, to cut something that is having on your heart. Okay, Archangel Michael is definitely going to help you with it. Okay, that's something I'm getting. And then we have the root chakra. So for some of you, you have problems with trust. Okay, you put too much fear, you know, even though you believe in yourself, even though you feel that you are talented enough, you doubt yourself, you have trust, a little bit of trust issues. I feel like maybe you are doing good in your career, then too you have trust. Oh my god, what if this all falls apart? So you doubt yourself a lot. Maybe you need to work on that. Or maybe in your relationship also, that is yeah, for some of you with this trust, you don't trust people easily, and because of it, it's very you know, you can't make new friends because you don't trust people easily. So maybe this is because of your past experiences, and that's why here Archangel Michael is telling you to cut that codes from the past, so you can make good relationships in the future, right? So maybe for some of you, you have problem in relationship, you're not able to get into a relationship, or or you're not able to make friends because of it. Okay, because you have little bit of trust, you don't trust. For others, I even feel like with money also, maybe you have you in the past you had to live in a poverty, or maybe you didn't have that much finances, so you always constantly worry about money. Okay, and because of it, you have certain financial fears, and that's all. This full moon is the time to let go of that financial fears, let go of that trust issues you have. You know, maybe you don't believe in yourself, maybe you have failed in the past, because of it you don't trust yourself right now. So this is the time to let go of all those things. Maybe for some of you, it's time to forgive people so you can move forward. It's time to know, you know, maybe for some of you holding resentments, or you have certain guilt or certain shame that you're holding on to. Maybe this is the time to release that. Okay, with this Archangel Michael, I'm like, cut the cords. Okay, this is the perfect time, I feel like, if you're listening to this reading right now. So I feel like this full moon is the perfect time to release. So what you need to do, I'm getting like a ritual here. Maybe you just write all the things that you need to let go. Okay, the things that are having on your heart. Maybe there is a person, because of it you're not able to move forward. Maybe you think constantly about this person and your emotions get very high. Or maybe you think about all the bad things you had, bad experiences you had with this person, so you're not able to go, you know, you're not able to trust to have a new relationship because all those past things come. So what you need to do is to write all those things, the things that are stopping you from reaching your highest potential. It's the time to do that, and call upon Archangel Michael and help, you know, ask for his guidance. He is definitely going to help you. Okay, so this presence, that's why this card is here, Archangel Michael's card here, to protect you from all the things that are not good for you. Okay, so use white light meditation, call upon him, and he's definitely there for you guys. So just ask for guidance from him, and I feel like he will give you the message you need. Okay, so yeah, just write it down and burn it. Okay, that's I'm getting here for you guys with this card. And we have a, you know, 35 is like 8, so yeah, definitely 8 number is all about infinity, right? So maybe there are things happening round and round and round and round, and you want to break yourself from that, and this is the time to break yourself from that. Okay, and with this 8 also, I feel like abundance. Maybe for some of you have this financial fear. Okay, even though you get money, for you guys, some of you, because of your deep rooted, you know, financial fears, because of your past, that fear comes up, and so because of that you're not able to enjoy that money that you have. So you need to release all that thing. So what you need to release, ask yourself, take a paper and write it down. You know, during full moon, do that ritual. That will be very beneficial for you guys. And yes, again, we have patience with this. I feel like, the universe is brewing something for you guys, and you cannot see it now, right now. So you have to be patient. There is something unexpected coming your way. Interestingly, you have number 35 and 36, so definitely things are moving forward for you guys. There is progress happening for you guys, but you cannot see it right now, right? So maybe you're questioning something like why this is not happening, why this relationship is not moving forward, because you need to work on it. When you release all that stuff, things will happen very easily, very quickly. But yeah, so maybe you're very patient right now. You're waiting for that perfect relationship, you're waiting for that raise, maybe you're waiting for that perfect friendship, you're waiting for certain things, and that's not happening. So before that, you need to release, you need to let go of the certain things. That is, if you have certain guilt, if you have certain resentments, if you think about something and you get angry, all that you need to let go of. Okay. And I feel like universe is definitely brewing something for you. Something unexpected is definitely coming your way. Maybe you have certain desires, and I feel like you're going to get the thing that is best for you. And maybe you didn't hope that much good will come to you, and I feel like a lot of goodness is coming your way. I feel like, really, really, I feel like, guys. So be patient right now with yourself. Right now, let go of all those things. You need to do that reflection also. I'm getting to look inside of you, to do that shadow work. Group number 2, that's also something. Shadow work is definitely something, when it's very easy to blame other people, it's very easy to see the shortcomings of others, but it's very hard to see your own shortcomings, right? Like, oh, I should change that, I shouldn't do that, I need to be more patient. It's so for you guys, I feel like you need to work on yourself more rather than working on others. Your thoughts, your belief system, that is what you need to do. Okay. And definitely there is some amazing things coming your way. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Yeah, you need to be fearless. Yeah, as I told you, you have a lot of fear, financial fear, relationship fear. There are a lot of fears that is in you because of your past, because if you're maybe in your childhood, no one encouraged you, and so that's why you have fear getting onto the stage, to have the spotlight. Maybe you're getting an opportunity to be in the spotlight, but you are like letting go of that opportunity because of your own fear, right? Maybe you work for a company, and that company head is telling you, just go and speak, have a few words on the stage, but you decline that opportunity because of your own fear, because you have stage fright. So this is the time to overcome those fear, because it's time to become fearless. It's time to fight your own demons. I've told you about shadow work. It's time to do that shadow work. It's time, certain things are stopping you from reaching your highest potential. Sit with yourself, reflect on those things. What is the pattern that is happening in your life? What you need to change in your life? What habit of yours is stopping you from achieving that highest good that divine is planning you? What is the thing you're sabotaging always? What thoughts are not good for you? What thoughts make you uneasy? What emotions you have what emotions make you very sad or make you fearful? What are those? Write them down and burn it, guys. This is the time. This full moon is the time to let go of that fear that you have. Let go of that ego. For you guys, I feel like your ego is your ego, like your fear in a way, because our fear tells us that we cannot do it. Like our ego tells us we cannot do it, we are not capable, we are not worthy. In the past you failed, now also you will fail. That is our ego, that is our fear, right? So that is what you need to let go of right now, and for that Archangel Michael is definitely going to help you. So call upon him. Look, there are so many guided meditations you will find in YouTube, so just take that and do that meditation. It will really, really, really help you, I feel like. Group number 2. Okay, so we have the next card. Oh, interestingly, look, surrender your ego. Your ego is definitely your fear. Like, that is what you need to surrender. I feel like that, if you are doing something new, Your ego will come and say, no, 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 don't do this. This is something new for you guys. You shouldn't do it, right? Maybe you're programmed like that. You need to change your programming, your subconscious programming. Maybe it's time to rewire your subconscious programming. There are so many YouTube videos like that. If it's possible for you guys to listen at night, listen to that. That will boost your energy. That will build your confidence and make you believe in yourself. So it's like your subconscious mind is programmed to listen to that, like fear, I'm getting fear. So there is a lot of fear-based thinking that you have. So that's what you need to let go of. And definitely it's not because of you. It's not your fault, because it's because of your past experiences. You have been programmed. So now is the time to change that. If you're listening to this reading, you are in the vibration, you're in this reading because you got the chance. Universe is giving you the chance to change that, right? To listen to that subconscious, like there are so many like subconscious meditations, right? Research about it, listen to it, okay? What suits you best, listen to it. I feel like it's time to rewire, to change your subconscious programming, like getting up early, writing all the things that you want in your life, rather to focus on that fear. So it's time to let go of that fear, okay? So I feel like in pile 1 also there was a little bit of fear-based energy, but for you guys I feel like it's more, it's like you are in this fear-based energy, and you need to release those fears, financial fears, relationship fears, fears to be in the spotlight. Even though you have the potential, because of your fear you're not able to show that to everyone, right? If you're a singer, you're a good singer, but you have a stage fright, so you cannot sing in front of other people. So what is happening is, because of your fear, you're not showing your full potential to other people. And this potential will give you the success you want. You want success, but at the same time you're so fearful. So that is what you need to let go of, okay? Yeah, look at the bigger picture. Sometimes it's very easy to victim mentality, to be in this victim mentality, like my life is like this only, I'm meant to have this life like this only, I'm fated for this life only, I'm fated for this sad life only. It's very easy to say that, right? So that's why here Archangel Michael is definitely coming and telling you to cut the cords and look at things from a different perspective. Like, yes, and I feel like with this also, universe is trying to help you, and universe is listening to your desires. But what happens is your vibration is not matching right now, because your vibration is in fear. And when there is fear, the things you want will not come. The only thing that will manifest is your fear. So that's why your Archangel Michael is helping you to cut the cords, so you can move on to your next level. And look at the things from a different perspective. Look at the bigger picture. Yeah, sometimes things might not go the way. Sometimes life is like that only. There are ups and downs. Everyone goes through those ups and downs. Yeah, sometimes it's hard for others. Everyone has those things. But no one talks, in social media also, everyone talks about the success. No one talks about failure, right? They show the best parts of their life. They don't show their worst parts, right? Nowadays people show, some of them show, but all we see is good things. People going on vacation, people enjoying life, people getting married, people having beautiful relationship, but we don't see the behind the scenes. So understand that, life is not a straight road. Right? So let go of that victim mentality and believe in yourself. Let go of that fear. It will take a lot from your part. Definitely. It will take a lot of courage. I was also like this. I had to do a lot of work on myself. I have been doing that work, and I know that it's not easy to let go of the fear. It's not easy to let go of that overthinking when you're an overthinker. But I have been good now. Like, I have been working. When you do that work every day, it will change. Trust me, I have changed so much. I have. And you can also. That's the thing. I'm just saying because I was also like this only. I was like this. Why my life is like that? Sometimes it's very easy to see that the things that we don't have in our life and compare. And I was also like that only. But now I'm working on myself. Why if I do something, I talk to myself. Why this is happening? And then that's what we do. Then that's the thing. When you look into your heart and look what you're doing, what you need to change, that is when your outside also changes. Trust me, when I changed, my outer environment also changed, really. So I'm just telling you because I want to like please take that first steps, because there's so much you have to like there's so much you can do, there's so much talents you have, that you, so there's so much to explore. So don't let this fear come in between. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else. Yeah, wow, look at your cards. Look, we have the Magician, we have the Ace of Wands, and we have Three of Wands. So definitely you're waiting for something. You want to achieve a lot of things. So this person is very patient. Again, the patience, Three of Wands. Maybe you're patient with yourself. Maybe you want to achieve a lot of things. You're planning a lot of things. But sometimes this fear comes in between. So that is what you need to let go of right now, because there is so much potential for you guys. And I feel like maybe for some of you have achieved certain success in your life. You want more, but there is financial fear again. Even, yeah, as I told you, you have money in your account, but you fear what if that goes. So you're afraid to take risk. You're afraid to do certain things that you want. Maybe you're afraid to spend for traveling because you are so you have that fear of money because of your past, right? So that is what you need to let go of. But definitely your plans, the things that you're planning will lead to success, because I can say with this Magician card, you're the magicians, you're powerful manifestors, guys. You have that, this is the right time to manifest anything. With this full moon, release all the things that is not good for you, and believe in yourself. Keep on believing in yourself. All the resources that you need will be given to you, guys. So if things are not working the way right now, if things are not working the way right now, just take a step back, see things from a higher perspective, and be patient, guys. That's the thing. Okay, and yes, definitely there is a new idea coming your way, and yes, so yeah, definitely this energy is going to change. I feel like you're becoming more confident in yourself. That's what, with this letting go of, I'm getting like, when you let go of these things are going to be magical for you, guys. And with this Magician, understand you're very, very powerful people. You're powerful manifestors. And look again, infinity symbol. I told you about infinity, did I? Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, you have infinite possibilities. You can manifest whatever you desire. Understand that. When you understand your own power, that's the thing. You need to do the shadow work to understand your own power. You're just believing that you are fear. You're because of this ego, you feel like that you're not powerful. You have to. Everyone is controlling you. No. You are powerful manifestors, and I feel like this full moon is here to remind you of your own power that you possess. Okay, and be patient with yourself, guys. Things take time. And yes, there is a lot of with this Ace of Wands, I feel like you're very, very connected to the source. So I'm getting like, pray every day. Pray, Archangel Michael is there for you. If you pray, if you're praying already, yes, this energy is with you. Believe in him. He is taking care of you, guys. And yes, you can do the impossible. You're the ones who will do the impossible. So believe in your own ideas, believe in your own creativity. Okay, you're here to not go with the crowd. You're here to do something different, and believe in that. Okay, believe in the higher power. That's also I'm getting. And interestingly, you have the number 1 here and the number 1 again. So maybe you're seeing 111, and this 1111 portal has opened you something like yeah, you're understanding your own power. Now it's time to take the power back, right? That's what I'm getting. You're taking your power back. Now this new journey is about taking your power back, letting go of that belief system, letting go of that fear, letting go of the people who are not good for you, letting go of that toxicity, or maybe letting go of the toxic ideas that you have about yourself. Now this new phase yeah, this is a new phase for you guys to explore. And with this full moon in Sagittarius also, I'm getting like you have this bow and arrow. Now what you need to do is to focus on only the goal, not on that fear. When you're like, For example, someone is, you have an exam, this is an example, you have an exam, so what you need to focus is on the exam, right? If you focus on other people, or if you focus on what teacher is doing, you might miss something. Like if you focus on other things, your exam will not be good, right? So that's the thing, you only your focus. That was a very bad example, I'm sorry, but what I'm saying is like focus on the things that you want to achieve. You know, energy, the things you focus on, there is the energy goes. So yeah, that's the thing. There was a quote like that, right? I'm not, yeah, there is a quote where energy flows, where your intention goes, energy flows. There was something, I'm sorry, I don't remember. So that's something I'm feeling like. Okay, so let's see. Your affirmation is now, yeah, I now go beyond other people's fears and limitation. Of course there is fear, of course, because of other people also, this is there, you have the fear in the past. Maybe people have told you that you're not worthy, maybe you have been bullied, and because of it, that's what it's stopping you. So now what you need to do is to go beyond that. You are so much more than that. Understand that, group number 3. So this affirmation will be very helpful for you guys for this full moon. So this is the affirmation: I now go beyond other people's fears and limitations. It is my mind that creates my experiences. Again, it is my mind that creates my experiences. I am unlimited in my own ability to create the good in my life. You have that potential, as I told you. So let's see what is the message here. Distant dream. The distance calls your heart to roam free. As you dare dream, so must it be. Yes. Sometimes we feel like that dream is so distant, I have been waiting for so long. And sometimes we don't believe in our dream, right? What you need to do is to believe in your dreams. And the more you believe, the more you will be closer to that dream. So for some of you, it's like dare to dream big. You're not even dreaming big for yourself. You have so much potential. Dare to dream big. No, it's not a distant dream. You will be able to achieve all the things that you want in your life. So what you need to do is to listen to your heart, okay? So that's all I have for group number 2. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Hello, group number 3. If you have chosen this card, let's see what is your message for this full moon lunar eclipse messages for group number 3. Okay. So this is your card. There is a message at the back of this card. I will read it later. Okay, so let's see what are your messages. I have already shuffled the cards. So let's see. So from Energy Oracle card, you have 3rd chakra, Archangel Chamuel, and 37 number. And it's a number 10 also. So I feel like definitely this pile is completing a huge cycle. Now you're moving on to the next cycle. Definitely I see for you guys. And what is happening is like you have been learning a lot of lessons this past cycle, and I feel like you're gaining confidence. So yes, I feel like this full moon, yeah, I feel like you are going to shine from within. You're gaining that confidence. You are empowering yourself, as well as I feel like you are the ones who will inspire and empower other people. So now this full moon is the time to write that affirmations like I'm confident, I'm courageous, right? So yeah, I feel like you are building up your confidence slowly but surely. I feel like this past cycle you were doing the shadow work, you were believing in yourself. So this pile is like little bit of, for the first and second pile, I feel like they are on the stage of releasing those fears. I feel like you have done the work, but there is something that is stopping you as well. Like there are some sort of fear that is stopping you. So believe in yourself, be confident. This full moon energy is for you guys to empower yourself, I feel like. So do certain rituals that build up your confidence, okay? That's something I'm getting. Or maybe script that how glowing you are, how beautiful you are, how courageous you are. So script that also. That will be very beneficial for you guys. So I feel like this full moon energy is like look interesting. You know, she's so happy, she's feeling so confident, right? She is full of like, yeah, she believes in herself. She's like, oh, she is ready to overcome all the challenges that is presented to herself. So she is so happy. She's so happy for her future. She's not afraid. She's yeah, that's what I'm getting. So that's the thing. This full moon, I feel like what is opening up for you guys is you are understanding your own potential, how courageous you are, how much you have dealt, how much you have learned, you have over, yeah, that's what you have challenges. You had a lot of challenges in your life. You have overcome all these challenges. So it's like this full moon is all about understanding your own power. Okay, understand that you are powerful people and build your confidence. Keep on building your confidence. You're powerful people. Okay, so work on your solar plexus chakra, or maybe wear yellow dresses. That will be very good for you guys. And I'm getting about passion also. For so many of you, you have a passion that you want to follow. So yeah, believe in your passions, believe in your ideas, and move forward towards it. So a lot of communication, a lot of creative ideas also, I feel like you're getting. So believe in those ideas and work. Don't lose your confidence. I feel like for you guys, the mantra for success is that confidence is your key to success. So if you are providing services to someone, be confident that I'm charging this much, this is my pay. Don't let this fear come in between. Like if someone says, oh my god, that is so much, why are you charging so much? Say that because I have learned a lot of things. I have been doing the work, that it takes hard work to do that. So be confident in yourself. Okay, so that again about that only, confidence, right? So yeah, that's what you're building up. You're becoming more confident. I feel like this pile, you have changed so much. When you were young, you were like, yeah, whatever, 2 years back or 1 year back, you were not this person. You have changed, you have evolved so much, you have become so much courageous, you have learned, you have matured as a person, you understand things from a deeper level, you have become so much wiser. So that's what I'm getting, and you're ready to overcome all the challenges. That is the good thing. I feel like that. Look, and like she's holding the moon. I feel like interestingly, look, these two cards, they're holding something, right? You're holding your power now. You know that you're powerful, you know that you're confident. Oh my god, yes, you have the power. You know that you have authority. You have authority over yourself, over your mind, and that's what is happening for you guys. Look, two cards from two different decks, but these two people are holding something. Yeah, you know who you are now. No one can challenge you on that. No one can put you down. No one can make you believe that you are not worthy, because you know how worthy you are. Okay, you have learned that lessons. You have been doing the work, guys, and keep on moving forward. Yes, this full moon is like you are becoming more courageous. You are already courageous. You're becoming more courageous, more confident in yourself. It's not overconfidence as well. I feel like that. So it's like, I feel like if you are feeling like to learn astrology, maybe it's time to start doing that. Maybe you want to learn certain new courses or something like that, go for it. Yeah, or maybe for some of you, you're planning to give an audition or something like that. Yeah, go for it. Okay, yes, you're fearless. Oh my god, this pile is fearless. You're fearless. That's what I'm getting. That's what you're getting into. You're believing in yourself. You're becoming fearless. You're doing the work. Yes. Now no one can make you fall down. Only the person who will make you fall down is you. That can be a challenge. That's it. No one else can. Yeah, gratitude. Yes. There will be so much to be grateful for you guys. And this new moon, write all that things that you are grateful for, right? And feel that. Yeah, so the more gratitude you give, the more you will receive it back, right? So this full moon is all about saying all the good things that you have manifested in your life, all the blessings that you have, and to be grateful for the universe, right? So that is what you need to do, to go out, to look in the sky, and to feel so happy. That's what you need to do. I feel like, look, she's so happy, you're powerful, you're so happy, and that's what you are. You are becoming the best version of yourself, I would say. Yes, you're definitely in the process of becoming. You are already courageous. Now you're going to, oh my god, I feel like this pile is going to surprise. You're going to surprise yourself. That's what I feel like. In so many ways, you're going to surprise yourself. You will be surprised by your own strength. Oh my god, I'm this courageous. You will be so surprised by yourself. That's what I feel like. I feel like you have the power. You have the authority. You are the leaders. So confidence is your key to success. So don't let that go, okay? And I don't feel that you will be overconfident also. Interestingly, look, she is also dancing and she is also like feeling so good. So yeah, good times are ahead for you guys, because you are in your power. No one can make you fall down. Even if you fall down, you will get up in 2 minutes or 1 minute or in 1 second. Like that's what I'm getting here for you guys. Yeah, surrender to miracles. Yeah, there is so much miracles, so much coincidences, so much signs, synchronicities you will see, guys. Group number 1, when you go out, you will see that. If you ask a question to spirit, you will get the answers immediately. So you're very, very connected with spirit, because you believe. You believe, you have done the work, group number 3, and I'm so proud of you guys, group number 3. You are doing the work, you are becoming courageous, and it takes a lot from our part, right? It takes discipline. You have been disciplining your mind. It takes a lot. Now it's just time to surrender to the miracles, because you will see a lot of miracles, right? Lot of signs. Maybe you're seeing a lot of numbers, maybe you're seeing a lot of butterflies, maybe you're seeing a lot of birds, maybe you see a lot of wherever you go, maybe you're seeing number 777. I don't know why I got that number, or 88 number, because we have a 7 here. Or maybe you're seeing 555 also, because we have 14 and 41. Oh, interestingly, look, 41 and 14 mirroring. Yeah, this 41 and 14. So I feel like, whatever you think, it will come. If you think something bad, it will manifest very quickly for you guys, because you're powerful manifestors. So I feel like you need to reflect on the things. Like if something bad happens, reflect what you thought. I feel like, yeah, you're very, very powerful manifestors, guys. That is also I'm getting. So don't give your time to this negative thinking, okay? Don't waste your time there. But I feel like you have certain overthinking and things, stress, everyone has, but I feel like you will be managing it better as you progress, okay? So yeah, conclusions are within reach. Definitely, I told you about a cycle. A hard cycle is ending, and this hard cycle has taught you so much, and you are powerful now. So yeah, definitely the cycle is ending, guys. You are so much more, you have so much to offer. Oh my god, there is so much beautiful things coming your way. That's what I feel like. Yeah, show the world you, the real you. Be confident in yourself, be proud of yourself, and show what you have. Like, be honest with yourself. So if you have an art that you made, show that to the people. What you have to offer, show it to the people. Don't be afraid. Come out. You are going to come out. I feel like you're going to come out, and you're going to show, and you're going to be successful in it. You have worked harder. You have worked hard. So yes, if you have, I feel like your hard work is definitely going to pay off. So be grateful now, because yes, definitely you're going to be very, very grateful for all the things. I believe in that. Group number 3. Yeah, balance, definitely temperance. So everything should be in balance also. So maybe there is a chance sometimes you might get overconfident. So please keep everything in balance. That is also important, okay, with this temperance. But I feel like your angels, your spirit guides are around you. They are guiding you. They are giving you, like, your intuition guides you to the correct path. So listen to your intuition. That's what I'm getting here. Listen to the signs. Listen to the messages that you receive. Like when you wake up from your sleep, maybe there is a message that you feel. Listen to those messages and work towards it, because that will give you a lot of success. And I feel like this full moon is where you are where you're reaching your highest potential, or something like that. I'm getting a lot of changes are going to happen for you guys. So don't be afraid of changes. Maybe for some of you, you will release a lot of people who are not good for you. So don't hold on to those people, because yeah, definitely they are not good for you for some reason. So it's not the time to be with those people. Maybe you have certain habits that are not good for you. So maybe it's time to release those habits. So now it's time to balance things. Like balance spirituality as well as practicality. That is also I'm getting, okay. Again, we have number 14, 41. Look at that. 14 number might be important to you guys, but maybe you're seeing 555. Maybe you have fear of change. So don't let that change, because the thing that is constant is change. So don't fear change, because this change will give you a lot of happiness, okay. So there is a lot of balance coming your way. Definitely balance. Again, we have 7 of Wands, and with the 7 of Wands, she is praying. And again, we have the solar plexus highlighted here. So yeah, be confident in your prayers. Be confident in yourself. Yeah, you are going to be that. So whenever you are struggling, whenever you are in this look, Eight of Swords energy, because the next card is Eight of Swords here. So yeah, pray, meditate, and balance your energy. So there will be days where you will be in this energy, where you will be putting yourself in mental prison, where you will be struggling, right? There will be days, but you have the power to take your power back. That's the, yeah, that's what I'm getting. You have the power to take control of your mind. You're that powerful. You know, you're very aware. Your consciousness is expanding, so you're very aware. You're very aware when you're overthinking, so you can change it through meditation, through prayers, and you can bring balance back. And I feel like you will be helping other people with that. So first you are going to master that, and then you will help other people. So what I'm getting, like for group number 3, is like you're going to build your success, and people will look at your success, and then they will be like, oh my god, how you build that, and then you will be helping them, right? So maybe your family, or maybe your parents may not recognize what you're doing right now. Maybe they will feel like that you are saying, what are you saying? Maybe they don't believe in you right now. Maybe they are not recognizing you right now, but they will for sure. If you're not getting that recognition from your peers, family, maybe you're getting recognition from other people. Right now you're not getting recognized by your family members. They are like, what are you doing? Will this give you something? Like maybe you are speaking your mind, maybe you are telling something that might trigger them, so they are like, what are you doing? But believe me guys, I feel like they will be they will be your biggest fan. That's something I'm getting here, group number 3. So yeah, there will be times, but you are mastering that. I feel like this Eight of Swords energy, you know when you are in this Eight of Swords energy, you know when you are stressing, you know when you are in this negative attitude, and you just change like this, and you balance, you get that balance back. That's what I'm feeling. That's what I feel like you're mastering, and that's what is opening up for you guys. Maybe this 1111 portal has opened that for you guys. You have learned a lot of lessons, and things are ending right now, and you are not afraid to show the world who you are. Right? You're not afraid of criticism. You're not afraid of you don't take positive comments to your heart. You neither take that negative comments to your heart. Everything is balanced for you guys, right? So wow, that's beautiful guys. And for you guys, the affirmation, look, I see my parents as tiny children who need love. Interestingly, I told you, maybe you're not getting recognized from your parents. Maybe you say something that triggers them, and they're like, oh my god, what are you saying that? We did everything for you. Maybe they don't understand you, right? So right now they are not understanding you, because they are also in this limited beliefs, guys. So that's why they don't have that consciousness you have right now. So slowly but surely they will see that. Okay, understand that. I see my parents as tiny children who need love. Just give them love, nurture them. They will understand you. You will get that recognition from your parents. I have compassion for my parents' childhoods. I now know that I chose them because they were perfect for what I had to learn. I forgave them and set them free, and I set myself free. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, I'm flexible and flowing. Yeah, so that's the thing. You need to be more flexible. That's something I'm getting here. Maybe you are very rigid. Yeah, I will do this thing this way only. Maybe it's important you do things, be flexible. That's also important. And I'm getting yoga for some of you, meditation. Maybe you need to start yoga or meditation or certain exercises. That will also be helpful for you guys. Like, yeah, trust your intuition. I'm flexible and flowing. I am open to the new and changing. Yes, change of fear. So for some of you, there is this little change of fear that you need to overcome. Okay, and I feel like this full moon, write down your fears and burn it. I told that for group number 2 also. What are your biggest fears? Write it down and release those fears. Every moment presents a wonderful new opportunity to become more of who I am. I flow with life easily and effortlessly. For some of you, there might be a chance and opportunity coming, like to go different places, to move away from your family or something different. Maybe you will fear that. That's the thing. You might, yeah. So yeah. So say yes to every opportunity that you get, okay? Because say yes to your intuition. That's the thing. Say yes to that divine guidance, okay? So maybe there is some sort of fear that you have. changing or getting homesick or something like that. So don't let that change of fear come in between, because there is so much you have to provide or give to this world. Okay, and I feel like you're finding home. Maybe sometimes you feel like that even though you're at home, you don't feel like home. For some of you, I feel like that also, and you're going to find home when you change that. Like when things will change, but maybe for some of you a relocation might happen, and that is the place where you will find yourself at home. Okay, that's something I'm getting. So let's see what the back of the deck is. And look, the sun is going to shine again. The yellow color, the sun is going to shine. Things are going to be very, very clear for you guys. You will know what you want to do. You're not going to be confused anymore. With this 8 of Swords, someone is very confused. You're not going to, because you know how to take your power back, right? Wow, yes, yes. If you have a question in your mind, I feel like the answer is yes. So like maybe for some of you it's like, should I move abroad? Yes. Should I change my job? Yes. Should I get into a relationship? Yes. Should I start my business? Yes. Should I start blogging? Yes. Should I start my YouTube channel? Yes. Whatever it is. Should I become a mother? Yes. Should I become a father? Yes. Whatever it is, it's a yes, guys. Kiss the ground and touch the sky. Your soul is set now to leap and to fly. Yes. For some of you, this is your freedom. Or maybe for some of you, will I be free? Free from all this past baggages. Will this cycle end? Yes. Yes, guys, yes. You're here to fly. You're not here to stay in a place. For some of you, a lot of travel also will happen. So yeah, you're here to fly. You are the bird that is free, flying high in the sky. So that's something I'm getting for group number 3. Hope you like the reading. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.